minimal of 20 pesos. But a lot still die. Why? Dahil simple aparatos like suero, kailangan bilhin ng pasyente. Ilan dyan ang kaya to afford your running bill day over day, week over week? Alam niyo ba ang average cost in a hospital is 100,000 for 5 days? Did you know that? And so, I was given a choice. Should I continue my career clinically, or should I enter the world of advocacy, where prevention is always better than cure, mas marami ang reach mo, and a lot of people can benefit from what you know without paying. To all the leaders in this room right now, alam nila that they can approach me in Messenger or anywhere and ask me questions about health, and I never charge a single cent. Why? We are a team in the Philippines. And so, the answer to my question became a lot clearer when I got sick. You know, alam niyo ba na ang second most common disease worldwide, epidemiologically speaking, ay cancer? We do not know why. Even in the medical profession, we do not know why cancer seems to be so prevalent right now. But what we know is that inflammation, pamamaga, and chronic na sakit na hindi nagko-comply sa mga medisina may be a factor. And so, if these are the cause, I realize if many people learn about Pure Deer, then maybe we can save a lot of lives. Tama? You see, in all the pharmacological categories of medicine na pinag-aralan namin for years and years, ngayon lang talaga ako nakakita ng formula na kasing lakas ng Pure Deer, which would rarely, if non-existent, have no side effects. Alam niyo ba kung bakit FDA would require clinical studies on human trials for drugs? Do you know why? Because you are dealing with chemicals. You are dealing with synthetic drugs that may have adverse reaction in a person's body. Kaya FDA is very, very strict on clinical trials. Do you know why it's not mandatory or hindi kailangan na mag-clinical trial on a supplement before it could be commercialized? Alam niyo ba na hindi kailangan ng clinical trial on human? Because good supplement, properly made, with the right certifications, are organic and is not known to have any adverse reaction with chemical drugs and generally in a person's body. Palakpakan naman natin ang Pure Deer. So now that you know that Pure Deer is safe, what about the formula inside? How will you appreciate it? Madali lang yan, ladies and gentlemen, because I only have very few minutes here. I cannot break it down for you, but I will take this opportunity to promote our website. Ladies and gentlemen, take note mentally, puredeer.com. Ano ulit? Okay, so marami kang matututunan dyan. But, the four most patented, the four trademark sa Reway. Ibig sabihin, walang laboratory. Walang AstraZeneca, Swellig, Johnson & Johnson. Walang laboratory that could take that formula and use it for their supplement. Walang pwedeng makagamit yan because it belongs to Reway Philippines. Do you want to hear what the 4 are? Kahit yun lang. Yes? Para ma-appreciate nyo naman ang pinunta nyo dito? Okay. So, we have what we call Servicenta. And this is taken live from the placenta of a female doe. It is good for multipotency. Ibig sabihin, kaya niyang hanapin ang site of inflammation at kaya niyang mag-iba-iba ng anyo depende sa pangangailangan ng katawan mo. And we have Velvicenta. Velvicenta is the blood supply that is known to contain actively dividing stem cell in the antler of a deer. Saan siya? Para siya sa repair and regeneration of damaged tissue. Pinapalakpakan yan. Only Reway, I know, was able to combine both Servicenta from the female deer and Velvicenta from the antler of a male deer in one supplement. Diyan pa lang, 16 years in the making, million of trials to perfect it, na-achieve ng Reway International. And so, do you remember that time during the pandemic? May kumakalat, because we were still working on vaccines and availability and standardization of dissemination sa iba-ibang bansa. We had border control problems. So during the pandemic, most of us didn't know how to help ourselves to protect us from COVID. Naalala niyo yun? Yes. So during that time in the market, there was Linji. Naalala niyo yun? Most Chinese actually offered this because they were known to protect the linings of the lungs. They were good respiratory-wise. So a lot of people were using it. Did you know that we added ginseng in our formula? And that is also patented to Reway. And the fourth is what we call Axertone. Axertone, it contains a molecule that could literally turn off an anti-aging gene called sirtuin-1.
Wow.
That means that you will look younger and prettier as you mature. Did you know in about 1 or 2 weeks I will be 40 years old? Char. Okay. So you need that. You need that. By those alone, alam mo na kaagad that your deer is actually a beautiful product. One supplement, one company, 16 years, billions of USD dollar in gross sales revenue. That is what we've done in this past 2 decades. Pinapalakpakan natin. And so now I come to the actual sharing of what is so beautiful about joining Reway. Nasagot na kasi ni Cyril kanina eh. Why would you choose Reway? And I agree. 100% I agree. If I had stayed in a clinic, because that is the only way some of the medical doctors makakabawi sa expenses when they own their own clinic and they earn directly from the revenue of their own clinic, dyan makakabawi. But if you're a regular doctor employed in a private clinic, pumapatak na 35,000 average ang salary ng isang general practitioner. Did you know that? Ang ating salary ay katumbas ng call center. I know a lot of medical doctors who use Angkas and Joyride. I know a lot of them who still eat in Carinderia. I know a lot who hasn't even traveled out of the Philippines. Iba ang ekonomiya ngayon. And so, ang sabi ni Cyril, if you choose to do your own small business, pag wala kang oras, there goes your income. Wala rin papasok na business. And so I chose Reway. For the past 8 years, I have actually earned things that I have never dreamed of earning in my lifetime. Nakaranas ako ng 5 milyon na income per month, all because of Reway Philippines. I do not know anyone in the medical professional team who would earn that much in a month. Pero mind you, I am a good taxpayer. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga BIR compliant dyan! Yung mga nagtatapit ng OR, palakpakan yan! Makabayan yan! So, okay. So, the beauty of Reway, balik tayo dyan. You know, a couple of years ago, do you see what's on the screen? Medyo familiar ba yung katabi ko? What's his name? Eric. Eric is my husband. And he is 70, almost 70. 30 years ang agwat namin ng asawa ko. Palakpakan niyo naman ako for being very, very tolerant. And we've been married for almost 17 years. You see, when we started, wala pang opisina Pilipinas. Wala pang Reway office in the Philippines. We were here in 2015 with Teo. Teo. We were with our Philippine Pegasus Teo. Wala pang opisina 2015. But Eric he came from a family of developer. They literally have a lot of buildings. A lot. Hindi yung maliliit na building talaga yung malalaking buildings. Even on Standard Chartered law firms, apartments, hotels, etc. No? But he chose to see the beauty in Pure Deer. It was a leap of faith. It was a calculated risk. It was something that would require us to make adjustments. Pero he saw it, and he decided to market in the Philippines. And because of my husband and Teo's dad, Raymond Tong, and Teo himself, the Filipino group came about in the Philippines. And so I am happy to share the achievement that we had just about last month. My husband has attained one of the highest rankings in the Philippines. He's achieved a Team Supreme Pegasus 1 ranking. At kung may tinatawag na organic fight, without fertilizer, literal, ayan ang ginawa ng asawa ko for being a very traditional businessman. I am very, very, very thankful kung pwedeng lumuhod sa stage, pero masasayang naman yung concealer sa tuhod ko. I am very, very grateful to all the leaders, especially the team elites under Eric Chok, for making gapang-gapang the fight month over month para magkaroon kami ng pinakauna namin Supreme. And this is the beauty of Pure Deer when teamwork is at the foremost of everyone's priority. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you are with us, and it really, really doesn't matter kung bata ka pa, dalaga ka na, may asawa ka, retiree ka, we are one big family. We are literally together in all the goals, in all the events, in all the incentives, in all the promotions, in all the chartered flights, in all our flight, month over month overseas para sa mga leadership training seminar natin, anniversary night, gala, team elite dinner nights, in all the events that we go to month over month. Yung passport mo, siya ang bibigay. Alam niyo ba, may passport, yung buong passport na yon will only last me about 1 to 2 years max dahil palaging ubos ang pages. Only an international leader can achieve that feat. And if you join us, you may be able to ride the tide with us towards the direction your life has always meant you to lead. So, ladies and gentlemen, alam niyo ba na Reway International would take all the resources, millions in resources, para bigyan ka ng recognition that you deserve. I'd like to invite everyone to April 2 in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. All leaders with active ranking will be recognized. Reway International has prepared. Grabe ang preparation niya just to appreciate and give gratitude to every leaders out there in the market. You deserve it. Isang malaking malakas na palakpak to all the leaders who achieve that. And so, I would like to really end my sharing in here. If I were given another life, and if I was given a choice, I would always choose to be a member of Reway platform, where everyone is an equal footing in a company to give appreciation and gratitude to each and everyone without discrimination. Thank you so much.